Kung nakita mo tong video na to sa FYP or feeds mo, may gustong sabihin si Lord sa iyo today, my friend. Feeling mo parang wala namang nangyayaring mabuti sa buhay mo ngayon. Parang progress is taking longer than expected. But God's word says, delay does not mean denial. It often means preparation. Proverbs says that the path of the righteous shines brighter and brighter. Not all at once, but step by step. Yung pressure na nararamdaman mo ngayon is not meant to stop you. It is shaping your character, strengthening your faith, and preparing you for what you are about to carry. God does not rush His process because He values lasting fruit, not temporary success. Every challenge is building endurance. Every setback is refining wisdom. Every season has a purpose. Stay faithful. Stay grounded. Keep moving forward. What you are walking through right now is preparing you for something greater. My friend, you are highly favored to be a success. You are greatly blessed to be a blessing to many. You are loved to live a long and satisfying life.